Hi and welcome. I just closed the registrations to the JavaScript Full Stack Bootcamp and we are ready to go. This is the first official week of the bootcamp. Everyone is now enrolled. There will be some people joining later, but we are almost everyone in. I opened the registrations to the bootcamp on May 25 and we got people rolling in until this morning, and when I closed the registrations there is a little bit of difference between the people that joined on May 25 and the people that joined today or yesterday. Right now we have 5 levels in the bootcamp. Those are introductory levels, but people ask me like, am I already behind? And the answer is no. And I planned to have 2 new levels this week, but I reconsidered. Based on your feedback, I reconsidered this thing, and this week we will have just 1 new level to make sure that everyone at the end of the week is on the same page, on the same point, okay? And we can go on 2 new levels every week. So to recap a little bit, we have now in the bootcamp level 1, Introduction to Programming, level 2, the foundations of the web, which contains HTML, browsers, network. Level 3 is CSS and a model about Tailwind. The first 3 levels were contained in the free preview of the bootcamp. They were released for free to make sure you knew what the bootcamp was all about and how it was organized. Then this week I unlocked 2 levels, level 4 introducing JavaScript and level 5 exercises about the topics explained in the level 4. So basically we have 1 big level, which is level 4, which contains the introduction to JavaScript. Now if you have to choose between those 5 levels which one to go through first, I would recommend, if you already knew a little bit of programming, how programming works, what it is, I recommend you to start from level 4 and then go back to those other levels as you have time. But the important one is level 4. And the takeaway from that level is mainly the basics of JavaScript, functions and objects. Those are the things I want you to really dive into. This week, as I mentioned, we have 1 new level, which is level 6, which is titled More JavaScript. We are going to dive a little bit more into the language. In particular, we are going to cover arrays, loops, scope, and many little things that are core to JavaScript. For example, this, for example, the event loop. So those are all JavaScript fundamentals. Level 4 and level 6 JavaScript fundamentals, not linked to the browser, not linked to server-side node.js. Those are things that we are going to use across the whole bootcamp, so give them some time. You are not required to go through everything all at once. You're not required to go through everything at all, because those are things you can go back later on when we are going to dive more into the practical projects and more advanced arguments. If you are totally new to programming, I recommend you to check out level 1 and then go through each level one by one. There is no problem if you fall a little bit behind, because we have a lot of students, we have a lot of people that are going through all the levels at different times. I am not expecting everyone to be on the same page every week on the new levels, because that would be I don't know, if maybe, but I don't really think so. And you are going to find the people that are going through the same level as you in the Discord chat. Talking about the Discord chat, I want to remind you that we have a Discord chat. It's dedicated to people that join the course, so the bootcamp. If you join the Discord chat that I had for the pre-launch, make sure you are joining the correct one. You can find a link to the Discord chat in your welcome email, or just email me if you can't find it. It's also inside the bootcamp. There is a link at the top. You can ask any question there. We already have a lot of people in the Discord chat. I'm there as well every day. I check it. You can ask any question there. people might reply before than me. If you have a question for me specifically, you can tag me at Flavio in the chat and I will get a notification, or you can just email me at flavio@flaviocopes.com. If you have any feedback on the course, I welcome any feedback. This week I received a few suggestions for the course. In particular, I got people ask me for a better navigation inside the bootcamp. I will implement that. I got another request to add search to the website, and it's something I want to do. I want to add the search so you can easily find anything inside the bootcamp, which is useful because the lessons will never be removed from the bootcamp. You will always have access to this incredible amount of material that I'm preparing for you. Another request I had was more exercises. So starting from this week and next week in particular, I'm going to slowly introduce more and more exercises into the lessons. It's so the first level do not have a lot of exercises because the lessons are very introductory, but I'm going to quickly add more practical exercises, also some videos inside the lessons. So lessons will be text, but I will have a demo video and code, actual code. One thing I want to tell you is that I am working on the lessons as we speak, so I'm a few weeks ahead, but any feedback you tell me, I'm going to introduce it to the lessons because we are going through this together and I want to make sure that you are 100% satisfied with the material, with the way I present the lessons, anything. So just hop in the Discord chat and tell me if you have any suggestion or you think I should change something in how I am moving forward with the bootcamp and with you. So to recap, this is the week that everyone starts on the same page. Everyone is inside the bootcamp and we are going to work on just one level this week, which is level 6. So we don't have too much stuff right in the beginning, so you get overwhelmed. And as I mentioned, the levels I want you to check out in depth are level 1, level 4, and this new level this week, level 6. You can ignore the CSS or the foundations of the web for now, but you can go back to them when you want. That's it. See you inside the bootcamp, inside the Discord chat, and we will catch you next week with another video, another email with the instructions of the week.